Okay guys, so what I did was I went to Home Depot. I talked to my the roof guy. So he says that to get a Flex Seal tape. So I did that all the way where it's been wrapped on the roof and the seam of the front cap. Okay, so I cleaned it first and then I put it on here. So he also recommend to use this kind of material from Home Depot and put it around here, all the way around here, so it gets resealed again. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put that silicone on it, and we're gonna take it out again for another trip, and we'll see if it rip again or if it ripped from somewhere else that way. So that means I have a air leak somewhere in my front cap. The air it's getting on this seam, on the top seam, and because the air needs to escape, so that's why it lifted and then it ripped it off. So I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so we put the silicone on and this is all for today. See you guys later.